Good morning, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with a side bet on XLM and Future Digibite OG. So, I seen this coming. I was trying to make sure nobody was in while this happened. Some of these held up somewhat nicely. Some of these fell pretty hard. You really had like a 5 to 7% drop across the board. Some of them have come up just ever so slightly. But now, this was the, I was trying to find a range for, to buy some of these. And right now, this is where it's either the make it or break it moment. You're either going to buy in now and it's going to be the right spot, or they're going to fall farther. And like I said with Doge, 27.5 is great, but 25.2 is a spot that is potentially a sweet spot. But we're going to have to find out, because this could very easily bounce off of these levels. Last night I was very clear about saying I thought this could go down to the 46,747 or the 46,000 mark. We have short starting. I know we have to get back to 44,222, so I'm wondering if we can get down there before the options expiring on Friday. So I said yesterday the most logical thing, and that's why I kept calling for a flash drop, which happened overnight. I kept saying that we have options expiring, so what better way than to take out the shorts overnight or into Thursday and then come back on Friday and take out the longs, because then the shorts end up, or they'll take out the longs right now and then take out the shorts on Friday, which would mean you would crash the price. The longs start selling because the price is dropping too much, and then the shorts start gathering it up because we're dropping, and then they flip the switch and then it rises on Thursday into Friday. Or Friday, and then it drops again after the options expire. It's kind of taking out both sides of the fence. So, we've seen a nice little drop. And right now, if it doesn't hold, because it did come back through and it tried. And guys, I mean, when I say it tried. But it already came back up after that nice drop. And it's consolidating. A consolidation up from here brings it back to the 47.6, 47.8. We can move this up, but it'll bring you somewhere probably back into there. A consolidation down from here will bring you down to that 46.002, and maybe a little bit further. But the fact that it's trading between these two zones and didn't pop back up, we very well could have a bigger dump come at 8 o'clock. Or 8:30, so it's going to be, you have to pay vital attention this morning. This is a breaking news update. As you can see, XRP went down to $1.10. Again, not down to $1.08, but it dropped down to about $1.10. So we're going to have to see what XRP decides to do, but if you guys remember what I put yesterday, it was absolutely spot on. When I told you the most likely scenario, this is exactly what I showed you, and look where it ended up. So I went right down into my trading box. Remember I said it would end up in that trading range? And then we were going to find out if it was going to go below that. Well, isn't it kind of ironic that it fell right down to my ascending little line I drew right there from $1.08 to $1.10? I only drew it like that because $1.10 it's been catching it. So I made that an extension, sort of. I made it an extension so I could remember that it can go from $1.08 to $1.10. And technically it could consider itself done. But I think with no volume, like I said yesterday, no volume is a disaster. But now you have a better opportunity for a swing trade than we had yesterday. But understand this, we're still in the middle of these zones. That was a nice, I always like to see these though. It's a reversal, but then when you get that nice down and sideways consolidation, sometimes it goes down another level, but when it gets done, a lot of times it's bullish at the end of this. So I'm going to release this video. We got to be patient. Crashing volume, crashing prices as predicted yesterday. Stay blessed.